Imagine you're in a spaceship, zipping past the moon, heading towards the ringed planet, Saturn. You're about to embark on a journey that's nothing short of extraordinary, a journey that takes us beyond our earthly confines and into the realm of the gigantic gas planet. Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is a world of mystery and wonder. It's a gaseous titan, a swirling mass of hydrogen and helium known for its spectacular system of rings made up of countless particles of ice and rock. As we venture closer, the planet's size becomes overwhelming, its rings a dazzling spectacle. But beyond this beauty lies a harsh reality. The journey through Saturn is not a leisurely stroll through a cosmic park. It's a plunge into extreme temperatures, crushing pressures, and monstrous storms. So buckle up, space explorer. It's going to be a wild ride. As your spaceship approaches Saturn, the first thing you'll notice is the temperature drop. It's cold, really cold. In fact, Saturn's average temperature hovers around -285 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest places in our solar system. If you were to step outside your spaceship without a suit, your body would begin to freeze instantly. But the cold is only half the story. Saturn is a gas giant, and like all gas giants, it has a thick atmosphere. As you descend, you'd start to feel the pressure building. It's like diving deep into the ocean, but far more intense. Saturn's atmosphere is over 1,000 times denser than Earth's at sea level. That kind of pressure could crush a submarine, let alone a human body. But let's not forget the winds. Saturn's wind speeds can reach up to 2,100 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Imagine trying to navigate through a hurricane that's moving faster than a bullet train. All of this, the bone-chilling cold, the crushing pressure, and the blistering winds would make Saturn an inhospitable place for humans. Even in a spaceship, it would be a monumental challenge to survive. But let's push reality aside for a moment. Let's imagine, just for fun, that you could withstand these conditions. You'd be frozen and crushed. But let's imagine you could survive it. What next? Now comes the exciting part. The rings. They look solid, but they're not. An enchanting illusion. The rings of Saturn glistening like a diamond necklace in the vast void of space can be quite deceptive. They appear as a solid disk, but in reality, they're more like a celestial snowstorm composed of ice and rock particles. Imagine a cosmic ballet where countless particles ranging from tiny dust grains to massive chunks of ice are all dancing in harmony to the music of gravity. As you approach, the serene beauty of this spectacle is breathtaking, yet the chaos within is equally captivating. You might think that diving into this would be like plunging into a rock-hard ice wall, but no. It's more like swimming through a sea of glittering snowflakes. Each particle in the ring is in its own orbit around Saturn, moving at different speeds. So, as you descend through the rings, it would feel like being caught in the most surreal snowstorm you could ever imagine. However, don't be fooled into thinking that this would be a gentle, leisurely float through a winter wonderland. The speed of your descent combined with the velocity of the particles could make this more akin to a cosmic hailstorm. Each particle you encounter would be a tiny meteor, potentially causing significant damage if you're not adequately shielded. As you fall deeper into Saturn, the pressure and temperature rise. Now, imagine plunging into a world where the gentle blues and golds give way to an intense, fiery glow. That's the heart of Saturn for you. As you descend, the pressure multiplies exponentially, going from a gentle caress to the weight of 1,000 oceans. The temperature, too, is no longer a chilly -200 degrees Celsius. It starts to rise, first to the balmy warmth of a summer's day, then to the heat of a pizza oven, and finally to a scorching 4,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun, folks. As you approach Saturn's core, the gas giant's mighty winds would whip you around like a rag doll in a typhoon. But don't worry, you wouldn't feel a thing. Why? Well, because by this point, you would be vapor. Yes, you heard that right. The immense heat and pressure would rip apart your molecules, transforming you into a cloud of human vapor. Sounds horrifying, doesn't it? But fear not. This is all purely hypothetical. We're not about to launch anyone into the heart of Saturn anytime soon. Besides, it's all part of the grand adventure of space exploration, isn't it? So you've been frozen, crushed, pelted with ice, and vaporized. Quite an adventure, isn't it? So that's what would happen if you fell into Saturn. Not a trip for the faint-hearted, eh? Just imagine, you've hurtled through space, survived the cold and crushing reality of the void, dived through the dazzling rings, and made your final plunge into the gas giant. It's an adventure that rivals any of the best science fiction novels. But it's more than a simple thrill ride. It's a journey that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, revealing the extreme conditions that exist beyond our cozy Earth. From the moment you'd leave the safety of your spacecraft, every second would be a battle against the elements. Extreme cold, intense pressure, and a stormy atmosphere unlike anything we've ever experienced here on Earth. It's an alien world, a testament to the incredible diversity of our solar system. Remember, space exploration is fascinating, but it's also dangerous. So, for now, let's leave it to the robots and probes. Until next time, space explorers, keep curious.